Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine and doing your studies. Today our topic is grammar and subtopic is nouns. You have to open your grammar book on page number 1. Here are nouns. The definition of the noun is: a noun is a part of speech that names a person, place, thing, idea, or action, an action or quality. Underline the nouns in the following sentences. Students, you have to underline the nouns in the following sentences. For example, Anita drew some funny cartoons in her painting class. Anita is a noun, and then cartoons, and then class. You have to underline all of these nouns. And the next, basketball and cricket are Rehan's favorite game. Basketball, then cricket, and then Rehan, and then game are the nouns. My friend keeps his 2 dogs in kennel. My friend, then dogs, and kennel are the nouns. In this way, you have to underline all of the nouns in these sentences. Students, you have any idea about the types of the nouns? Nouns have divided into different types. These are as proper noun, common noun, collective noun, compound nouns, material nouns, uncountable nouns, and countable nouns. These are the types of the nouns. Come on, next page, we will teach the types of the noun and their definition and examples. Nouns, types of the nouns. First one is common noun. Persons or things of the same kind are called common nouns. For example, girl, dog, country, class, men, woman, school, all are the examples of the common noun. Next is proper noun. Nouns of particular places are persons. For example, Islamabad, Lahore, Karachi, Raja, Zain, Ahmed, Nida, Allied School are the examples of the proper noun. Proper noun always start with a capital letter. प्रॉपर नाउन जो होते हैं ये हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज कलेक्टिव नाउन. A collection or group of people or things of the same kind are called collective noun. For example, class, herd, crowd, army, team, etc. are the examples of the collective noun. Next one is material nouns. Names of materials are substances used for making things. For example, plastic, bronze, gold, diamond, silver, iron, and cotton are the examples of the material nouns. Next is uncountable nouns. Things we can count, not uncountable, countable nouns. Things we can count using numbers. Examples are 3, men, cat, and idea are the examples of the countable noun. These may be singular or plural. We can use a or एन विद दैम. ये सिंगुलर भी हो सकते हैं और प्लूरल भी हो सकते हैं और उनके साथ हम आ और एन यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज कंपाउंड नाउन्स. वर्ड्स मेड अप ऑफ 2 or more existing words are called compound nouns. Examples: blackboard, washing machine, armchair, classroom, drawing room are the examples of the compound nouns. uncountable nouns. Things we cannot count using numbers. For example, oxygen, money, sand, milk, oil, rice, sugar are example of the uncountable noun. These are the things that we cannot count them. These do not have a plural form. इनकी जो है कोई plural form नहीं होती. We do not use a n with them और इनके साथ हम a और n use नहीं करते. Common nouns can be further divided into concrete and abstract noun. Common nouns जो है वो further divide किए गए हैं concrete और abstract nouns में. Concrete nouns are nouns which refer to things we can see, touch or feel. For example, the girl took the dog for a walk. Abstract nouns are nouns which refer to things that we cannot touch or see. These can be names of a quality, state or concept. Example is, he never gave up his love for animals in spite of numerous hurdles. Pick out the nouns in the sentences below and say what kind they are. Students, you have to tell that what kinds the nouns they are. For example, the ship along with his crew has been saved. Ship is common noun. Crew also common noun. The height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meters. Mount Everest is proper noun. In this way, you have tell all of these nouns that what kind they are. Next is fill in the blanks with the nouns formed from the words given in brackets. Students, you have to do it on your book. Next, also you have to do on your book proper noun, concrete noun, abstract nouns, collective noun, and material nouns. In these sentences, you have to find out the nouns and then you have to write the relative columns. For example, hello Rija, let's go to a restaurant and have some coffee. Rija is proper noun. You have to write here. Now note down your homework. You have to read page number 1 to 7. All of these pages you have to read. And then write the definition and types of the noun that are on page number 2. You have to write and learn. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.